Hello, welcome everybody. Let's start writing some codes here. The objective of this video is to get going and you so that you can start your first SQL command in SAS. First, let's look at a database. What the data which we are running our SQL on. So my basic database looks like name, serial number, job, job ID basically 1, 2, 3, and 4, the income which they have earned doing this job, and the quality of the work done. So very simple database on which we'll be running some queries here. Okay, so now what is SQL? SQL is a query language which is very easy to run, very intuitive uh, on writing the code, and SAS has given the ability to write a simple SQL inside the SAS program. So let's start writing. The basic syntax goes like this. You write proc SQL, then you select which all the columns you want to pick up. It may be variable, it may be columns. So in this case, if you look at the data again, we want name and say income. We'll go back to our program. I will say we need name and income. The next point is from which file. So I'll say from SAS underscore ACAD, which is the directory I've created, and the name of the file is data1, and put a semicolon on it. Now SAS wants you to write a quit after every SQL statement. Even if you don't write quit, it will run the program unless and it will it keeps on running unless it encounters another proc or a data statement. But it is recommended that you write quit every time so that you don't face any problem. So I have written quit. We remember to close the open data points every time before you run the program, and you just run this particular code, and that's you have got names and incomes in an output log of SAS. If you want to create a file out of it, what you have to do is you have to go back to the proc SQL statement. You insert another command, create table data 2, but I want to create this table in SAS underscore ACAD, which is my folder. SAS underscore ACAD data 2 as, and then you write this one. So if you just run the code again, what you have, see the log. Okay, it has run. Go to the explorer and say you have data 2 which contains name as well as income. So there you go, as simple as that. A very quick way to run basic SQL in SAS. In the next video I'll tell you more about what you can do with SQL.